Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for February 5th, brought to you today by editorial researcher Nina Whittle. Today's FirstWord Pharma News Roundup is sponsored by Sejadim. In our top news story, FDA Commissioner Margaret Hamburg confirmed that she will resign from her position in March after almost 6 years in the role. Hamburg indicated that the agency's chief scientist Stephen Ostroff will assume the position temporarily. Also featured, Pfizer agreed to acquire Hospira for $90 per share in cash, or a total enterprise value of approximately $17 billion. Pfizer noted that the deal will add Hospira's generic sterile injectables product line, as well as its biosimilars portfolio. In other news, Sanofi chairman Serge Weinberg suggested that the company will be in a position to announce its new CEO during the first quarter. Weinberg remarked that the work of the nomination committee has been pretty active, adding, "We are selecting very strong candidates." In addition, AstraZeneca agreed to acquire Tevez's branded respiratory business in the US and Canada for an initial consideration of $600 million. The transaction includes rights to the chronic obstructive pulmonary disease therapies Tevez and Daliresp. And finally, Tevez fourth quarter sales met Analyst estimates at $5.2 billion, although the figure was down from $5.4 billion in the year earlier period. The company noted that sales of generic drugs declined 8% to $2.5 billion, with revenue from the products slipping 16% in Europe. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Take a look at us now, the new mobile intelligence. Performing better together.